Hey everyone, it's Brianne here. Make sure to hit subscribe and like this video. I do DIYs, try-ons, hauls, unboxings, you name it. Let's go. Hey guys, how is it going? Sorry, I'm having like major hair issues today. Just if I keep doing this, that's why. It's major hair issues. Today I'm going to be talking about this mystery box. This super nondescript mystery box. So today is not a clothes haul, it's not an organization, it's a review slash unboxing. So I'm trying out this new company called Sugar Kush. So Sugar Kush has CBD products. If you're not familiar with CBD, it is a natural supplement you can take that will help you with lots of different things. Relaxation, for muscle soreness, to help you sleep. Like, just Google it and you will find so much information because it is actually super popular. If you saw my video of my 5 favorite things, you will know that I do take this one, which is Papa and Barkley Relief Tincture. So this is something I'm already taking. I know a lot of people who have used different supplements, tinctures, creams, lotions, you name it. There's so many different CBD products out there. I came across Sugar Kush. I think it was on an Instagram ad. Instagram ads, first of all, like, they know us so well, don't they? I love anything pretty, pink, sparkly, cutesy, and I just started getting into CBD, like learning more about it, and then lo and behold, there's the ad for Sugar Kush. So I'll add a little pic here of what their website looks like, an ad or something, and you can see how cute it is. It's super duper cute. I loved everything about the aesthetic of the site. I thought it just was right up my alley. Like I said, I do take this tincture. What I like about it is I love all the benefits. I love that I can take it at night and it helps me sleep. If I take it during the day, it just helps me. If I'm restless, it just calms me down. It's really amazing. What I don't like about it is the taste. It just has a very earthy taste, and you have to keep it under your tongue for 15 seconds and then swallow it. And usually I have like something flavored right next to me, so as soon as I drink it down, I'm like, ugh, trying to get the taste out of my mouth. So let's go into Sugar Kush, because one of the benefits of Sugar Kush is that they are flavored deliciously. And the flavor, as you can see, is cotton candy. So it is so cute. Like, look at this packaging. Like, look at this, how cute it is. It also just has this info on the side. It's so cute. Like, I love the drips. I love, love, love the little cupcake. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. And it is a very standard looking tincture bottle, or they call it CBD oil. It's very similar to a tincture oil. So this is the one I currently use, and this is the Sugar Kush. So the suggested use is to place one filled dropper under your tongue 1 to 2 times daily, adjust as desired. So when I first started, I would take like a quarter of a drop, and then I moved up to half a drop. I'm still not all the way up to a full drop. I don't need it. I feel like half a drop is good for me. You can see it's already filled to the very top. I have never had this before, so I'm going to put it down a little bit more till it's about half, and let's test it out. So we're going to put a few drops under our tongue. Hold it for a few seconds. I was trying to hold it for a few seconds, but as soon as I put it under my tongue, it just like, it felt like it just absorbed right into my mouth. This is delicious. Oh my gosh. It's so good. It's surprising because it tastes just like cotton candy. Like, the taste, when like when it, the taste isn't cotton candy, but the aftertaste is cotton candy. To me, like the aftertaste is more important sometimes than the actual taste. But this is so good. So one thing about CBD oil that I've noticed is it kind of makes your mouth feel a little bit coated. Like whenever I take the other one, it feels like there's a coating in my mouth, which is why I say I drink something directly afterwards. This one had that immediately. Like it felt like it immediately coated my mouth. I couldn't really keep it under my tongue, but it's so good. It's so good. And this is 1,000 milligrams CBD oil. It's, this tastes so good. Like I want to take, I wish I would have taken the full dropper. Like I was nervous because I didn't know how good it was going to taste, but it tastes really, really good. Oh my gosh. Like, I'm sorry. Like when stuff has cute packaging sometimes, you know, you don't think it's actually it's not gonna taste as good as you want it to because it's cute, but I'm shocked. I'm sorry, I'm shocked. I thought I was gonna get some earthy aftertaste, and like, not at all. Very good. The next item I have are the gummy bears. So you can kind of see those. I know my light is shiny. So I actually got these two as part of a bundle. I will put a link with the price somewhere. But yeah, these are CBD infused gummy bears. Open it up. It was sealed. So I think they're sour because it has like that sour sugar on. Oh shoot. Stop it on the floor. Bye. Sorry. I wonder if they all taste the same or which one's gonna taste the best. It says take 1 to 2, but since I already took a little bit of that, I'm just gonna try one of these, and it just looks like a normal little gummy bear. So cute. Taking yellow, hopefully it tastes like pineapple. It's just sugar. I thought it was like gonna be sour, but it's just a sugary. Okay, it just tastes like a regular gummy bear. I haven't, I've been doing that 28-day reset, so I haven't had anything, like candy-like, and this just gave me a total candy vibes. It's so good. It just tastes like a normal gummy bear. So, I mean, usually for me, it takes about, anywhere from like 20 to 30 minutes to start to feel like a relaxation effect take place. So I'm not expecting to feel something like that like instantly. Either way, it works for me and I like it. These are really good. You got, oh my gosh, like, I'm sorry, I hate to keep saying this, but I did not, because it's so cute, I just didn't think it was gonna taste good. Okay, moving on. Then I got this bundle of CBD bath bombs. So I have never used these. I'm super excited to try them out. But basically, it's just like your average bath bomb, but it has that CBD element. Let's see. This one is Pink Rose Swirl, and this, oh, it's so cute. It's like a little swirl. And then it comes wrapped up in plastic. I'm not going to open it, but it smells good. I'm not the biggest fan of rose. I'm not a floral person. I'm more like candy scented. Obviously, that's why I got like a cotton candy CBD oil. This one is lavender charcoal. That just sounds, it sounds so relaxing. Okay, this one didn't have the little cute top like the other one. Just saying. Oh my gosh, it smells so relaxing. I love lavender. Lavender is always in my essential oil diffuser. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. So lavendery. And then the last one is vanilla cupcake. So of course, I'm hoping this one smells the best because I love anything sweet and sugary. Weird, this one does have that same packaging. Oh my god. This one is pink. And then white with sprinkles. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys, it smells so good. It smells like a cupcake. Yes. I think I'm definitely for sure keeping this one. Like I said, I'm not a huge fan of rose, the pink rose swirl. This, I might gift this to somebody. I'm not sure. I don't know. It's not my fave. The lavender I definitely like, but so I bought the trio because I wanted to try different things. So I bought this. It came with all three. That way you can choose which one you want. So real quick, just to kind of go into a little bit of pricing, I got these two. These were part of a really cool bundle. And when you get your bundle, you can actually choose your flavor. So they have cotton candy, strawberry, there's vanilla, bubblegum, orange creamsicle, or hazelnut. So I just tried cotton candy because I figured like you can't go wrong. Cotton candy tastes delicious. I love cotton candy. But I kind of think like I might want to try hazelnut or vanilla. What's cool is you can actually add these into, like, if you make a smoothie or a milkshake. I just take the drops as is. I don't like, because I had the drops that don't taste great. I didn't want like that flavor lingering. I just wanted like done and done. But what is also awesome is I ordered the bundle and it came with this really cool cookbook. It was an ebook cookbook, but it had a bunch of like totally delicious recipes where you can put your oils into. So there was like brownies and milkshakes and cookies, all this really cool stuff. So that to me too, you know, you guys, I'm a sucker for packaging. I also love when brands or companies just like go that extra step. And for me, that's that extra step. Like, yeah, it's one thing to give me this, but then to show me like what else I can do with it. Because if it's me, I'm just gonna like take the drop. But they gave me this whole like wealth of information of like make cookies, try the vanilla one in this recipe, or try the cotton candy in this recipe. So I thought that was so cool, and like it made me really excited. It did come really fast, so I ordered it. I added on I think about $1.95 to do a priority shipping to get here quicker. It came pretty quick. It came, nothing was damaged. It all came sealed. I pre-opened these, so they were sealed when I first got them. But I definitely think it's worth checking out. It definitely would suggest Sugar Kush. If you are totally unfamiliar, I would also suggest them because they've already sent me some emails since I joined their mailing list, just telling me like what some of the benefits are, what the uses are, what it means to use it, just a whole lot of information. Anyways, I hope this was super helpful, you guys. I definitely hope you check them out. And if you're not interested, I mean, if you know someone who is, it's such a cute website. I definitely think these are just such cute gift ideas, or treat yourself. We're still stuck at home, so, you know, who doesn't want to take a CBD bath bomb in the bath with them? Really? And who doesn't want to eat delicious gummy bears that are going to help you relax? I mean, and I'm sorry, like this is going to be so bad because this tastes so good, and so good. It tastes like cotton candy. I need to stop because I could go on forever. I am so excited. You guys definitely check it out. If you have any questions, leave that in the comments for me. I'll definitely be sure to answer those for you. Thank you again for watching. I really appreciate it, as usual. If you have subscribed, thank you, and I hope you like this different type of video. If you are new, for sure subscribe. Come on, we're gonna have fun. And don't forget, follow me over on Instagram and on TikTok just for some more stuff. Like I said, I've been doing the 28-day reset challenge, some ab glute challenges. I've been posting some healthy meal stuff. Kind of want to incorporate that into my YouTube channel as well. So check that out over there. Let me know what you think and have a great day. If you buy any of these, let me know. If you try any other flavors, definitely let me know because I am like 100% curious. Okay, I've talked about this for way too long. Thank you again so much and have a great day.
I'm having major issues with this ponytail. It looks pretty nuts, but I think I'm just gonna have to go with it. I don't know what any of this is. I don't know what's happening. I wanted it in the middle, but it's crazy. Let's do a side ponytail, I guess.